Morning, student. Applications of Joule's heating effect is a very important 3 mark question. Electric heaters. So already we know that some electric heating device, electric iron, electric heater, electric toaster, shown in the figure, or some of the home applications that utilize the heating effect of current. In these appliances, the heating element are made up of nichrome, an alloy of nickel and chromium. This is very important point for your objective type question. Heating elements are made of nichrome, an alloy of nickel and chromium. Nichrome has a high specific resistance and can be heated to very high temperatures without oxidation. This point is very important. Nichrome has a high specific resistance and can be heated to very high temperatures without oxidation. The next topic is electric fuses. That means application. Next application, electric fuses. Already we know that electric fuse. This is the image of picture of fuse carrier. Fuses are shown in figure are connected in series in a circuit to protect the electric device from the heat developed by the passage of excessive current. Very important point. Please note it down. The electric device from the heat developed by the passage of excessive current. Protect the electric devices. Very important uses of fuse carrier. Protect the electric devices from the heat developed by the passage of excessive current. It is a short length of wire made of very low melting point material. This is a very important objective type question from this point. Low melting point material. It melts and breaks the circuit if current exceeds a certain values. Lead and copper wire melts and burns out when the current increases above 5 ampere and 35 ampere respectively. So very important objective type question. This point also very important objective type question. Lead and copper wire melts and burns out when the current increases above 5 ampere and 35 ampere respectively. The only advantages. So what is the advantages of electric fuses? Only advantages with the above fuses is that once fuse wire is burnt due to the excessive current, they need to be replaced. Nowadays in houses circuit, breakers, trippers are also used instead of fuses. This is the tripper or breakers. Whenever there is an excessive current produced due to the faulty with the connection, the circuit breaker switch opens. After repairing the faulty connection, we can close the circuit breaker switch. It is shown in the figure. This is the circuit breaker switch. The next applications, electric furnace. Electric furnace are used to manufacture a large number of technologically important materials such as steel, silicon, carbide, quartz, gallium, arsenide, etc. So very important objective type question. This point is very important point. Number of technology important manufacture large number of technologically important materials such as steel, silicon, carbide, quartz, gallium arsenide to produce a temperature up to 1500 degrees Celsius. Please note this important point. To produce temperature up to 1500 degrees Celsius, molybdenum nichrome wire wound on a silica tube is used. This is also very important point. Note it down. Molybdenum nichrome wire wound on a silica tube is used. Carbon arc furnaces produce temperature up to 3000 degrees Celsius. This is also a very important point. Carbon arc furnaces produce temperatures up to 3000 degree Celsius. The next Last applications, electrical lamp is nothing but bulb. It consists of tungsten filament. Tungsten filament. Melting point, please note it down. This is a very important objective type question. Melting point of tungsten filament is 3380 degrees Celsius. Once again repeat, melting point of tungsten filament of the bulb is 3380 degrees Celsius. Kept inside a glass bulb and heated to incandescence by current. In incandescent electric lamps, only about 5% of electrical energy is converted into light, and that rest is wasted as heat. Electric discharge lamp, electric welding and electric arc also utilize the heating effect of current. Thank you.